In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams. We will walk through a few everyday actions, including starting a private chat, joining a meeting from your calendar, and checking your latest notifications. Follow along on your screen as we go. Start by opening the Microsoft Teams app. Once Teams is open, take a moment to notice the main navigation bar on the far left. This is where you will switch between areas like chat, calendar, and activity. To start a private conversation, click Chat on the far left sidebar. This opens your chat list, where you can see recent messages and ongoing conversations. Near the top of the chat list, click the New Chat icon. It looks like a small square with a pencil, and it is used to begin a new message thread. At the top of the new message window, click into the To field. Type your colleague's name, then press Enter. Teams will match the name as you type, so you can select the correct person if multiple results appear. Once the name is added, you can begin the conversation in the message box below. A helpful tip is to be clear and specific in your first message, since this is often where the topic of the chat gets set. Next, to view your schedule and access meetings, click Calendar on the left sidebar. This shows your day or week view depending on your layout. Find the meeting you want to attend, then click the Scheduled Meeting block. This opens the meeting details, where you can quickly confirm the time and any notes that were included. When it is time to enter the call, click the Join button in the top right corner of the meeting window. This will take you into the pre-join screen, where you typically confirm your audio and video settings before entering. Once you are ready, you proceed into the meeting. Finally, to check recent updates like mentions and replies, click the activity bell at the top left. This is where Teams collects important notifications so you can catch up quickly and avoid missing messages that need your attention. Well, that covers everything you need to know.